So now we're going to talk about IntelliJ configurations for testers. So what are the things that are kind of peculiar for you to configure in IntelliJ? If you are going to be using automation testing using Cucumber, so what are the things that you need to set up? So that is going to be what we're going to discuss in the next few minutes. So when you open your IntelliJ, you are going to see this welcome page. So the next thing that you need to do is you click on that configure and you click on the settings. So I've told you about the appearance. You should not worry about that. So then the most important part is we're going to be using Cucumber so as plugin. So for you to add the plugin, I think someone actually asked the same question. So what are the plugins that we are going to use? The major plugin that we are going to use is Cucumber. So if you click on configure and click on plugin, that part on the welcome page, that should take you to the welcome to this setting page. You can click on plugins. So once you click on plugins, so you can search for Cucumber for Java. So once it brings that out for you, you can select on the right one. So then, of course, you need to select the 1 minute. You need to select the right one. So once you are able to select it, it's been displayed. I'll go through that. You will click on yes for that to be installed and to proceed. So, and yeah, once it's there, you can restart your IDE for that to take effect. So that is required. So then your IDE is going to be restarted and that's it. So that is setting up Cucumber. So the next one that you need to do is now your default SDK for your project. So you need to set that up as well. So it is the same thing that you need to do. So what you need to do, you need to do the same thing on your welcome page. Click on configure and click on structure for new project. So once you have that, you go to project. You click on project. If you're starting afresh, you will see no SDK. So you need to select the right SDK that has been installed for you. So, and for, I think this screenshot is 12, but you're going to see my presentation. It's going to be, I will select, I think the last Java that we installed is 14. So you can select 14 from there. I'm going to go through that with you in a moment. So then you click on OK, and that should be it, basically. So, and yeah, so you check if there's any issues, basically. If there's no issue, the plugin is the first thing that you need to do. So let me expand this one, close minimize this. So configure plugin. So you can search for Cucumber for Java. So you can click on install. That should say, okay, you really want to install it. So you need to restart your IDE. Before I do that, I'm going to restart later. So, but let me install the, let's see, 1 minute. Okay, it doesn't even allow me. So I'll just restart it anyway. So. Okay, that's it coming up. Okay, cool. The plugin that we installed before is this one, Learn and Teach. So you can go through that at your spare time. So, and yeah, the next one is the structure for new projects that we spoke about. So you go to project, you go, so if I go into this one, yeah. setting up the SDK. So that is what we are doing now. So if I go back again, just to quickly check that. Okay, so to set up that, you just go to configure and structure for new projects. So structure for new projects, what you need to do, you're on project now. Okay, so you just need to click on the SDK. Like I told you before, as you can see, I've got Java 14 installed, so you can click on the appropriate Java SDK that you've installed, and that should do the magic for you. So if you go into the, sorry, 1 minute, man. Okay. There's a pop-up that I'm expecting to. There's a pop-up. Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah. So the project I've already selected the right one. So just go to problem to see if there's any issues. If there's no issue, I think everything is set up and you are okay. So that's what you need to do. Just click on apply and okay, that's you set up. So